right, we're back. Let's do try it exercise number 461. All right. So this problem is about Jonathan, okay, and he's purchasing a townhome. And so the purchase price is $120,000, and he's going to put 20% down. That's what it reads. And the balance, the remainder, is going to be 15 years fixed at 9%, but he's paying 3 points. So we just got to remember the 3 points. At signing, he put down $10,000. Okay? So the down payment total is 20%. So 20%, let's just clear everything here. Maybe not. Oh, there it is. All right, clear. Come on, there we go. So 120,000 times 20%, 0.2. So he's at closing. He needs $24,000 for the down payment. Now, at signing, he put down 10 already. So the remaining amount is going to be 14. Right? So we figured that out already. So the remaining amount for his down payment is 14. Okay. We know that he's going to have to pay points, right? So he's paying 3 points, and the points is on the amount financed. So if the down payment's $24,000, then that's going to be $120,000. This is the balance of the loan. $120,000 minus $24,000, right? So $120,000 minus $24,000. The loan is going to be for $96,000. All right. So the points then are going to be 3% of $96,000. These are the points times 0.03. All right, so times 0.03. So that amount's going to be $2,880. All right, so that's points. So far for his closing, all right, points are $2,880. His down payment remaining is $14,000. Okay. Did he pull a credit report? There are some extra fees here that he owes. So in addition, he must the application loan app remainder. This is remainder of down payment. The loan app is $100. All right. Property transfer fee is $190. Okay, so that's the transfer, the title. The insurance is 3/4 of the amount financed, so 0.75%. Okay, so that's title transfer. I need to write this down here. Title transfer, and then title insurance. And we said that that's 3% of the amount financed, or 0.75%. So 3/4 is 0.0075, right? So the amount financed is 96,000 times 0.0075. So that's going to be $720. All right. So title insurance is $720. What else? Hazard insurance is $420. So this is what I was talking about. The amount of insurance due for the remainder of the year is paid up front. All right, $420. Prepaid taxes. So this is homeowners insurance. Taxes, prepaid taxes for the remainder of the year is $310. Okay, and attorney fees ends up being $500. Okay, so the points, the remainder of the down payment, his loan app, title transfer, title insurance, homeowners insurance, or hazard insurance as they call it, taxes for the remainder of the year, and the attorney fee. So if we add all those up, all right, so we have $2,880 plus $14,000 plus $100 plus $190 plus $720 plus $420 plus $310 plus $500. That should give us a total of $19,120. $19,120. Oops, I didn't even. There we go. You saw it on the calculator. All right. Then we need to figure out what the seller's proceeds will be. Okay. So the seller is going to be responsible. I'm going to write proceeds here. So that's closing costs. For the buyer, proceeds. Okay. So the proceeds, we know the selling price was $120,000. So the sell price, $120,000. And the commission, all right, for the sale is 5.5%. So commission, 5.5% of the selling price. All right. So 120,000 times 0.055. So that's $6,600. All right. We also know $670 in other closing costs. $670. And the existing mortgage balance is $65,000. All right, so the seller still owes $65,000 on the home. So what will the proceeds be? So if we add up all the costs for the seller, so that's going to be $6,600 plus $670 plus $65,000. That's going to equal $72,270 total. And I just did it this way. Instead of just subtracting each one out, I wanted you to see this is the total cost the seller is going to have to pay. All right. So I just take that, 120,000, and subtract the 72,270. So the proceeds end up being, they will get a check for $47,730. So they made $47,000 on the sale of their home after all the fees, commissions, and all that fun stuff. Okay? So that is the answer to the try it number 4. So this is what happens at closing. All right? These are the costs for the buyer. All right? And this is the cost proceeds for the seller. Okay? Now, on the previous page, just very quickly, starting on page 459, it's a nice little sheet here. And it's just a shopping worksheet. And it's just a sheet. You can make this on your own, but it kind of lets you just walk down through what are the different types of loans, what are the fees that are on them, what fees might you have to pay for each loan, and then it just gives you a column for each lender. And then you can compare and contrast and get some totals. All right? So this is a good way to break down, if you're trying to decide what's a better mortgage, what are the rates for different lenders. This is a great Excel sheet. So you can just write down each line of the fees and then each column, and Excel will add them up or subtract them as you need. Okay? But this is a good sheet to give you just ideas what you got to look at. Are you going to lock in your rate? Is the loan an adjustable rate mortgage? Do you need life insurance? I would say no. Just pay your loan off. Get normal life insurance. You don't need credit life insurance. Credit life insurance is insurance you would buy to pay off your loan if you die. Just get regular life insurance. It's cheaper. All right? All right. So we will go to section 5 now. So I will see you shortly.